Here's how to deposit a check using the Wells Fargo Mobile App. First, download the Wells Fargo Mobile App to your smartphone and sign into your account. On the bottom bar, tap Deposit, or use the Deposit Check shortcut. Choose the account you want the money to go into from the To drop-down. If you already set a default account, it'll be pre-selected. You can also change your default by selecting the account you want and tapping Make this account my default. Next, enter the amount on the check. You'll also see your daily and 30-day mobile deposit limits on the screen. Make sure the amount matches exactly, then tap Done. Now flip your check over, sign the back, and write for mobile deposit at Wells Fargo only, under your signature. Or check the mobile deposit box if your check has one. Take clear photos of the front and back. For best results, place the check on a dark, well-lit surface. Hold your phone directly above it, and make sure all four corners fit inside the on-screen guides. Once everything looks correct, tap Deposit. You'll get an on-screen confirmation, plus an email, to let you know Wells Fargo received your deposit. After you're done, write Mobile Deposit and the date on the front of the check, and keep it in a safe place for 5 days before destroying it. And that's it. Your check is officially deposited through your phone.